Hello friends, today learn how you can apply how you can improve your YouTube skills with SEO. YouTube have a SEO, yet so many of the people are ignoring them, so they cannot get views and they cannot get subscriber. They cannot reach 4,000 watch time hours and more and more. How you can improve your YouTube skills? First you have to give the title, description you have to give the same in what in title you have to paste in also, paste it as it is as in title, paste it in the title in description also, and write something about that video, at least 500 at least 2 to 300 words, and they mention that you have to also apply your social media links to that, so they can people you can see your social media accounts. You can get the alternative that your subscribers in our social media, they will boost your traffic in social media also. You can perform both platform at one time. So friends, after that you can apply for, after you can playlist, if you description of the playlist, you have to select the playlist, you have to create a playlist of that recording that, and you have to remember that the it is for child or not. So if you uploading some like making money online, some relationships or romantic some adult contents, then you have to not made for kids, apply for this age restriction must be apply for that, otherwise you have to ban from YouTube, suspended from the, you can suspend it from YouTube also. After putting the next, you can get here, sorry, one of the back, huh here more option, click that, all things you can do from your home also, no problem. It is your mobile, you can do everything from your mobile. Add the tags, you have to find some the interesting tags from YouTube, say YouTube videos, not from searching from Google, or is taking from Uber suggest is the one of the free way to find the best keywords, or you can find the keywords, ask me, or you can search for the keywords in Google also, they will suggest you some of the keywords according that, you can copy and paste it here, you can get instant views also. After getting the language, select your language is the most important thing, you have to apply for the language also. Language is per the YouTube will be smart, YouTube will is who need the English, who will see the English videos, they will Google put the videos for that particular viewing channel only. Like I understand English, then YouTube suggest me this video if I interested particular topic or particular niche to see. Like you will know Germany, Russia, France, Chinese or other language, then they will suggest you particular language to particular person only. So this way you can gain more subscriber. So I suggest you have to select the language. After that all the things are normal, then put it on next. You have to apply for this end screen performance. The end screen performance is the must ensure. You have to apply for the end screen. What is, you have to add the ad and select one of the your best videos and paste it. And this second one, you have to add your card means you have to add like your friend, if you want to promoting some other channel, or if you want to promote your playlist, or if you want to promote your video in promote, then you can add this video clip to your I button. The YouTube always shows you upper side of the I button, then you can click that and you can see the how the video display you. This is the SEO. After that you have to publish the video, or you have to schedule the time. You can make sure that schedule the time also, you can, no problem, you can schedule it, or you can directly publish the video and next publish it, save and publish that the video. I cannot publish this video because of this video is copyright to someone, I think, so I cannot publish this video. Thank you, friends. One of the most important thing in YouTube, do not copy other videos or other things from that. You can create your own image, own video from different sites. So they will provide you all the things like Pixabay or Pixa or some you can copyright free images, copyright free videos you can get from internet also. So you can go download it and upload a new video, make over your voice and feel it good, and apply for that. Apply and make money online. This is me. If you like it, subscribe our channel. This is our most testing channel, so ignore that.